Small steps do add up on any journey. It don't matter if it's fitness, it don't matter if it's your happiness, it don't matter what it is, but all these steps add up. If you're new, that's okay, because look, it shows you exactly what to do up here. And a lot of times, a lot of these machines will also count for you. You don't have to count anymore. Let's see here. Put that down. See, look, it'll start counting for you, all right? If you don't know how to do it, once again, look up there for assistance, or you can scan there as well, or you can easily just go ask somebody. If you're new to the gym and you're looking to really just get a good workout in, man, go check out your local Planet Fitness. The Planet Fitness I'm in, I've been doing a couple of them, but the one that I'm in right now, they have a section back here that's called the 30-minute workout section. Let me show you. 30-minute workout. All right. The cool thing about this section right here, even if you've never been to the gym before, but you really want to get started, you don't want to go to like a bigger gym where you don't really know what to do. If you come to this little area back here, let me show you the exercises that you can do. All these machines back here, you can basically get you a full body workout. Come in here for 30 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week, and you will see some changes as long as you focus on your nutrition. Okay, let's try 1 time a week. How about that? You don't have to come to Planet Fitness, but Planet Fitness has this whole thing set up. Let me show you what they have here. You can get a full body workout. Check this out. So of course you can start out with the abs here. Here's the abs. Now you don't have to go in this order, but you have the abs over here. You got the seated row. And then over here, leg extension. Get your legs in. Come on now, don't skip leg day now. Right here, you got the tricep press down. All right. And so if you're new, that's okay, because look, it shows you exactly what to do up here. And a lot of times, a lot of these machines will also count for you. You don't have to count anymore. Let's see here. Put that down. See, look, it'll start counting for you. All right. And it'll have the time on there for you, everything. Come on over here. Let's get some biceps in. Let's go with the bicep curl. So you got your bicep curl there, as well as let's continue looking over here. You got the leg curl machine. If you don't know how to do it, once again, look up there for assistance, or you can scan there as well, or you can easily just go ask somebody. Over here, you got your shoulders. So you got the shoulder press over here. Got the lat pull down right here. There it is. Once again, you don't know how to do it, look at some instructions. Let's come on over here to the leg press. Okay, so now you got the leg, get your legs in some more. Over here, we got the chest press. Now, these chest presses are nice. Now, what you want to do, I can suggest on the chest press, is that you try to get this seat all the way forward, because then you're going to get a deep stretch back here. Okay, get the deepest stretch possible. So this is a really easy way to get you a workout in. If you're new to the gym, man, Planet Fitness has you covered, okay? Come in here, they got plenty of cardio machines. Do your cardio, get your steps in. I highly recommend you get some steps in each day. So you can come over here, do your 30-minute workout, and then go walk on the treadmill for 20 minutes or something, like 10 minutes. I mean, it don't matter. Get on elliptical. They have Stairmasters. They have, looks like they have the row machines, ellipticals. They have all that stuff for you, but get your workout in first. Do that separately. Okay, you don't want to do that. I mean, you can do a little warm up if you want to, like a 5-10 minute warm up, be on a stair stepper or something like that. Just get your heart going. But come in here, do a 30-minute workout. Like I said, let's start with 1 time a week. I would suggest you try to get 2 to 3, maybe Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Full body workout, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Start there. 30 minutes. Let's go with around, I would say, try to get around 8 to 10 reps, 3 to 4 sets. Okay, if you're just starting out, maybe 2 sets. Do what your body, when you first come in here, if you haven't worked out in a long time, go super lightweight, just kind of get a feel for the movement, all right? Search on YouTube for how to do these machines if you want to, or you can just look at it, or you can just simply ask anybody. Don't be afraid to ask people in the gym. When you come to the gym, do not be afraid to ask. You can, all these people in here, I guarantee you, grab somebody who looks like they know what they're doing and ask them, hey, can you show me how to do this machine whenever you get a chance? And I 99.9% of the time, they're gonna say, yeah, man, I got you. Hey, let me show you how to do it, and you're gonna learn something, okay? So the cool thing about, I was thinking about it because I know a lot of times the gym can be intimidating. And Planet Fitness, this is a really good one because you can come back here in the back and you don't have to worry about, being out there, wondering how to use these machines, feeling like, I don't know, people are watching you or something like that. Who cares if they are, right? It don't matter. You're here focused on working on you. If you're looking for a gym to go to, if you have a local Planet Fitness, go check them out. Step in there, see how it feels, see what you think. And I just find that as a great place to go to. They have great hours as well. At least this one right here is great hours. So they're open all the time. If you can come get you a full body workout 1 to 3 times a week, I keep saying that because I want y'all to know that, but 1 to 3 times a week, man, start with one. Let's start there. Small steps do add up on any journey. It don't matter if it's fitness, it don't matter if it's your happiness, it don't matter what it is, but all these steps add up. If you are trying to make a better change in your fitness, come get your workout in, because then you're more likely to eat better throughout the day as well, right? Don't come in here, get a good solid workout, knock out some good cardio, and then go eat like junk, right? We want to try to make sure we're getting our nutrition as well. Focus on your protein first, and then adjust everything else to fit your personal lifestyle. All right, and remember, it takes patience, but stepping in here, doing something like this, that's the first step. And this is only for people who want to go to this. Some people don't want to go to the gym. You don't have to go to the gym. Stay at home, get you some dumbbells, get you a kettlebell. You have body weight, you can do that. You can walk around your neighborhood. It doesn't matter. There's no excuses. What you need to stop doing is having all these excuses that have kept you in the position that you're in right now. You're gonna have to get out of that. It's all in your mind, because you can't lie to the person in the mirror. I don't know how else to put that, all right? So if you wanna make some changes, you have to make some changes. If you've been looking to join the gym, go check the gym out first, kind of get a mental feeling of it. How do you feel about it? Is that something that you are going to look forward to going to? So what you can do in here is come in here first, get used to these machines. I mean, you don't have to come in here if you don't want to, but get used to these machines. You're kind of tucked away, and then go out and, you know, like I said, look on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. There's videos of workouts everywhere. There's so much stuff you want to do. Decide what kind of plan you want to run. Do you want to run like an upper body, lower body? Do you want to do full body? I can recommend full body if you only have, let's say, 2 times a week to work out, you're busy, but you want to hit the gym twice a week, full body twice a week. That's what I would do. That's for me. You don't have to. You can just go in there and do biceps twice. I mean, it don't matter. But I would recommend full body. And the great thing about it back here is you can get a full body workout twice a week if you want to, okay? So, but make sure also on the reps, eventually come in here. If you're just new to the gym, come in here, just get a feel for the weight. Don't push too hard because you don't want to get injured. But eventually what you're going to want to do is at least it's called progressive overload. So you want to focus on either the next time you come in and do these machines, you want to either get more reps or you want to add more weight. And so that's your progressive overload. That's how you build muscle. If you're into building muscle, that's how you build it. If you're not into it, you just want to come in here and make the movements, man, go for that as well, you know. But if you're trying to build muscle, you got to focus on progressive overload. Add some more weight, add some more steps, add some more reps, and you will see a change. All right, so I just want to show you this because I saw this. I was in here working out. So man, this is great. 30-minute zone for anybody who's looking to just get started or just wants to be tucked away, doesn't want to deal with everybody else in the gym. Ask, hey man, you doing with that machine, this and that? No, you come in here, and even if you don't know what to do, you don't have a program, you don't have anything, this is what to do. Come in here, full body workout, no excuses. Let's keep getting better. Let's go.